Hey friend, hey, in today's video, I'm showing you how to make this beautiful boho pre-made boutique. So if you want to learn how to make this, then keep watching. And you already know we are using Shopify. They do have $1 your first free month. So go ahead and make a Shopify account, and then we're going to go ahead and start designing. So I click online store, themes, and I'm going to install the Dawn theme. It is free. So we're going to go ahead and edit the header. Usually like to add like free shipping, and then I'll go ahead and center the middle logo text. And you already know, made the logo on Canva. Always download as transparent so the background does not show. And then I'll go ahead and upload my logo from my desktop, my laptop, and then I'll blow up the logo just to make it bigger, and I'll click save. Now we're working with the color scheme. I went ahead and changed the header top to like a cream color. I actually end up changing this at the more towards the end. You'll see towards later. But I changed the font as well just to have the fonts kind of match with the logo. And I'm going to go ahead and select that font and click save. Now we're working with the banners. Got this photo from Canva. Since it is a boho boutique, I'm going to try to stick to that aesthetic. Going to add some text, and then I'm going to add cursive text on the bottom of new collection. It'll say new arrivals. I'm going to go ahead and change the color scheme to this blue. Going to turn it down because it is like a lot of brightness or aqua color, whatever color it is. I'm trying to stick with like boho colors for the theme of the website. And then I'm going to download the first banner and get that uploaded. And to add the banner, you just want to click image banner, pick the picture from your or the banner from your desktop, and then I went ahead and add subscribe to our emails box as well. With that, you'll just click add section, and then you'll get to click like collection list or whatever else you want to add. And I like to do 4 rows when it's on mobile, and then I like to make sure it's on enable swipe as well. So I can do 4 columns, and I'll click that button, check mark, and I'll click save. Now we are going to make the cover photos for the collections list. I'm just going to add the pictures, which I get from my vendors, because I do make pre-made boho boutiques. So this vendor, this pre-made store comes synced with the actual vendor. So if you would like to view the store, click the link in the description. It comes synced with inventory, so you don't have to hold any inventory. We have vendors on hand who will ship these items out for you. And yes, I have tested the vendor. They have good quality, and they have USA fast shipping as well. So click the link in the description for more information on pre-made drop shipping boutiques, and this is the boho style. Now that the cover photos are made, we're going to go ahead and add the products, pictures. Like I said, I'm just adding demo photos. When I actually send this website to my customers or clients, because I have clients that like dropshipping boutiques, I will actually sync the vendor. This is not how I sync the vendor. I believe I have videos on that, but just showing you guys, how to add the demo mock-up photos. Now I'm going to start adding the collection list. Got the bottoms, the tops, and the cover ups. I'm going to go ahead and add those. You just have to click collection list and click which collection you want to add. Also changing the text so it's more readable. Changed it to like a dark brown, and then I'm going to add more pictures for the products. These are stock photos that I've got from Pixels, which I always use as far as like designing. It's free. So yeah, click the link in the description to view this pre-made website. Now I'm going to add a about me section. You'll just go to add section and click what you want to add. And I clicked image text or image with text, and I'll change that to about us, and I'll change the button label to read to say read more. So this is going to be like the about me section about the brand. I'm also going to change the footer also to that blue aqua color just so it can get some more pop of color on the website. I like how this turned out. It's definitely giving Boho Boutique. I made up the name myself, made the logo myself. It's good. So yeah, click the link in the description if you want to view. It is for sale. And like I said, we do have vendors who will ship the items out for you if you're into that boho type style. So I do want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to click publish for your store so you can actually view it. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.